I think I live in a tax-free jurisdiction in the UAE, but you pay for everything personally, right? So, and here, people from the outside looking in and think, oh, it's quite a high tax environment in Australia. But then, like in a lot of other places, things come subsidized, right? So those things always balance themselves out, don't they, from a personal perspective?
Definitely. Like if we look at a lot of where our clients are, the UK, the US and Australia, they're all pretty high when it comes to income tax. But I think people are willing to do or to pay their taxes if they do see where it's going and that it's giving value. So again, Sydney is probably the cleanest city, one of the cleanest cities that you'll ever go to. So that is a huge bonus. School, when you've got kids and things like that, and you're thinking about schools, the education system out here is amazing. The health system's incredible. You've got Medicaid out here. So again, everyone's more than happy to pay their cut in taxes if they're getting to see those benefits from it.
Yeah, and the schooling is a state sort of operated system here?
Similarly to the UK in terms of they've got private schooling or they've got public available, and the education system in general is fantastic out here, so you wouldn't need to go private. Oh, you could, but there's definitely a good system from the public side.
And there's the benefit of the non-existence of the language barrier, right? Because when you're a Brit, I've got 2 kids, and you almost have to go for that British curriculum school internationally, which comes with a price tag, in other parts of the world. But here, there's no real reason why, as a British person with a family, you can't utilise standard local schools, right?
Exactly. Free local schools, Medicare, which is free healthcare, and most of the things that you do on the day-to-day, like going to the beach or being outdoors, like it's free. So what you might pay in higher taxes or what you might pay in higher accommodation costs can be offset with a lot of the lifestyle choices out here, which don't have that price tag attached to them.
Cool. Okay. And within what we're trying to grow out here at Hoxton Wealth, this is becoming a major market for us, right? And you're leading the operation down here. What do you see the growth potential of this as a base for Hoxton Wealth, and what types of roles do you see that might be open in the future with our business?
Yeah, like I definitely think Australia is one of the most popular destinations for a lot of different countries all over the world, but particularly the UK, which is where we've had a big focus as a company. So I think the opportunities are exponential out here. We're always going to have people that need our services. There's limited companies that can offer it. So I think what we will want to do over the next few years is get more good advisors who have got a solid understanding of how the UK system works, and then also willing to learn the Australian side of things, and all types of jobs as well. We want to bring everything more onshore in Australia. As a company, we do have a lot of licensed advisors which might be operating overseas, so we want to try and bring more and more onshore to make sure that we can help our clients more and more every day.
Yeah, and you guys here are all backed up by the team in Dubai, our central hub, where you've got all the marketing team, my unit, and we've got the admin team and all the other back office functions as well. And we've discussed the success of the events we've done here this year, and we're going to do much more of those next year, hopefully, right, with more frequency and in other parts of Australia as well, because those are resonating really well, aren't they?
Really, really well. Like the seminars have been fantastic opportunity for us to connect with our clients and future prospects. I think what people like about them is they like that face-to-face personal interaction. They like coming along and they like getting that education that they can come and they can take on what they want to learn about finance and the company and everything like that, and then they can go and make their decision. So I think they've been really successful, and we'll continue to do more frequently next year.